Deloitte says risk to our 0.9% French growth forecast for 2025 on the downside, but we do not see recession. UK domestically focused FTSE 250 up 1.7% on track for the biggest daily jump since July.
What's up, guys?
Just a reminder at the top of the hour also, we're expecting the IEA monthly report.
What's up, guys? Trader CJ. Took a couple of trades this morning.
Deloitte says that the government needs to detail savings and tax measures needed to achieve its new deficit forecast of 5.4% of GDP this year.
So I wasn't going to stream this morning, but I thought, okay, great. So I took a couple of trades. There are some opportunities in the market and the NQ. So a couple of scalps in between, like small trades, like 3, 4, 5 points in the NQ. So I'm going to try and wait for some more opportunities. And yeah, the last trade was a short, yeah, from 47.5 to 42 almost and a half. So that's almost 5 points, 4.5 points Q. So only looking at a delta. So I'm gonna put my screen on this side. So here we can take some shorts. I think it's in the morning London session. The market's a bit quieter, so obviously I need to get in on the limit orders, like in on the offer side. Would be ideal to offer at 37, 36.5 maybe. Get in on a trade, stop 5 points. Not gonna take this trade now, so I'm just first gonna wait a bit, get my setup ready for this morning. You took that short from 36.5. have worked. So now we can see some buyers in the few places. You can see it's like in the delta here, 10 contracts delta, and some buyers stepping in here on the book map. Although this candle is moving up here, like 5 points or so, I don't like the delta, the amount of contracts that are being bought up in the market. It's not significant, so I don't like the small volume going up. So looking at it now, I'd rather be a short. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna quickly step out. I'll be back shortly.
So hot, I forgot what I should have thought of before.
So is it just less than a minute to go until we get the German GDP NSA year-on-year for 2024, with a forecast of minus 0.2% and a prior minus 0.3%. With the data coming out at minus 0.2%, which is in line with the forecast of minus 0.2%. German economy contract 0.2% in 2024. Also, the IEA coming through now saying the new US sanctions on Russia could significantly disrupt Russian oil supply and disruption chains. IEA says we maintain our supply forecast for Russia, Iran, and Iran until the full impact of sanctions becomes more apparent. But the new measures could result in a tightening of global oil balances. Also, IEA raises 2024 world oil demand growth forecast to 940,000 barrels per day compared to the prior forecast of 840,000 barrels per day after a stronger than expected Q4. IEA trims 2025 oil demand growth forecast to 1.05 million barrels per day compared to the prior forecast of 1.4 million barrels per day.
Definitely some buyers, yeah. Take long.
Also, IEA says global oil supply is projected to rise by 1.8 million barrels per day in 2025, faster than rate of demand growth. And also saying global observed oil inventories gained 12.2 million barrels in November, according to the IEA.
Big buyers stepping in. Not long. I see there's some bids in the market trying to push up the price here. See the book map. There's some guys trying to push up the market, staying below the price. Now being traded at 39.5, 39.25. Okay, there we go. Gone. That bid. Okay. Some action, yeah. A bit more volatile.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls?
Guys, know when I take a trade.
Get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of one month.
Some liquidity up here at
92%.
Area. Get
IAC's
nice,
refinery runs 510,000 barrels per day high in 2024.
Nice streak of buyers.
660,000
pushing for those
in
50s.
2025. Russian crude shipments fell 250,000 barrels per day
nice target
in December.
Just gonna be patient, waiting for some buyers to step in, and we can. Else we're gonna take a short. Nothing for now. Pretty even on Delta. Go. Oh, that's some buyers in. I'm gonna try a lot. Put in a bid here. see if I can get pulled. Bid. Buyers. Nothing. Not filled. One.
Order filled.
I'm in long. Up my stop a bit. Trying to see if we can see some buyers in the market. Otherwise, going to flatten. Just get out. Ideally, I would target 50 area. 49. Yeah, let's say 50. Keeping it tight. Don't see a lot of buyers now. Actually, I'm seeing sellers in the market. So I want to go with the flow here. If I don't see buyers, I'm out. Actively manage my position. Thinking of just cutting it here. Nothing flat on Delta. Still flat on Delta. I don't like it. There's some liquidity showing up here at the bottom. So can go either way, yeah. So it's a bit of a gamble now. I like the position. I'm gonna offer to get out. Otherwise,
Order
just,
filled.
I'm out. Don't like it. I'd rather jump in again when I see some nice buyers in the market. You have a wider stop, you can take it. How I trade. I want to see big buyers like this, or sellers like this. I mean, it's even. Looking better. Long. Oh, another long here.
Order filled.
Okay, minutes. Up around 37-ish. Okay. See some buyers stepping in. 21 on the Delta. I put in an offer. $50. Just in front of 50s. See some buyers again. Okay. Definitely more buyers here trying to push the market higher. People don't see the price is not going higher. Offer at 49. Move up my stop. Keep it tight before contracts go. 49s. Went up 4 points. Tight. Stop is at 40 now. 5 point trailing. Still, we see some buyers. Not as aggressive.
Voice news disconnected.
Before Delta. Go. My finger is on the flatten button. Exit. In case I see big seller stepping in, I'm out. Currently 3 points, 2.5 points in the money. Not much. Trailing, full trailing. Go. 7.5 traded. Stop is break even. Was traded 49. Half a tick. That's unlucky. $48.5 traded. That's a pity. Might go for the 50 level here. And even break it. Still, trying to maintain the stop here. I think that level is building up here. This 50. My opinion, I think we're gonna break the 50s. Maybe not.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm out. Unfortunately.
Voice news disconnected.
German Economy Ministry saying that inflation dampening factors should dominate in the course of the year. Outlook for exports is modest and noticeable recovery in consumer climate is not in sight. A tangible economic recovery in Germany can only begin when clarity on economic, financial and geopolitical outlook.
Okay. See some buyers in the market. Can get in.
Order filled.
I'm in the markets now. Not the best entry. Not the best entry. Keep it tight. Hoping for that 50 break. Yeah. Again, actually it's pretty even. Buying and selling, so pulled up some buyers, yeah, lightly. Both ways.
Stop filled.
Come out. Don't see the buyers, yeah. Stop taken. Looks, this candle is bearish. Buyers are here. Oh, the sellers. Apologies.
PK 2-year bond yield falls 10 base points to 4.5%.
I'm gonna wait for something more significant here. We have a negative candle, red candle, some positive delta. Big sellers.
Order filled.
$50. 56 a delta. Short side. Feeling choppy here. Not showing any direction currently. Bit of a fake out
Stop filled.
to the downside. And wasn't expecting
IEA says OPEC may be up to revive supply if Iran and Russia is disrupted.
done any great trades last 2-3.
Currently, IEA's Bossoni speaking in an interview.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm long again. Let's see if like the sellers. So it's a bit choppy, I would say. Mixed bag, it's like negative, positive. Need some momentum in the market, yeah. Keeping it tight. Currently square on the trade. 44.5 traded. Nothing. Nothing here. That's a pity. No follow through.
Stop filled.
Big sellers there. Only losses since the stream. Before that, profits, but now only losses. We're going to try the long again. Try it again. Not getting in. I get one break. Upside. I'm not be long. I want to be long in this market. Last minute or so. See some buyers here.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm long. Not the best price, but I'm in it. Anticipating 50 break. Maybe testing the highs here at 52. Failing. Bit. See some buyers here. Stepping in. Any delta. Better. $50 break. Just break even on my.
I think Italy's general government debt grew to
some more out of the
3.01 trillion
markets.
euros in November.
It's
Order filled.
Kremlin says
Getting
possible
out.
EU sanctions on Russian aluminium could destabilize an already fragile market, and nothing can be ruled
Have
out
something
when it
long,
comes
I
to
would-
Russia's response to latest US
would
sanctions
be nice
on
to
its
stay
energy
in it.
sector.
Targeting higher levels. That was the original idea. To actually take that trade. had some fake outs.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
It's a bit more tricky during the London session because we get some the volume is very low, but the idea is to see this, have momentum in the market, continuous buying on the delta side,
UK ONS says average house prices increased by 3.3% in the 12 months
or
to
continuous
November
selling.
2024. And average private rents
Either
rose
way,
9% in 12 months to
try
December
and
2024.
trade with that. Be in the right direction of the market. Actually, we went to test 52, the high, during London. Let's wait for something new. Bit of a turnaround, yeah. We take the short side, or not yet.
Russia to restart gas supply to Transnistria, according to TASS. So just a reminder with Transnistria, that's part of Moldova.
Buying taking place at 50. Now that 51.5, 14 contracts will offer there. Big buyers here. Oh, 85. Delta 85. Nice. Pushing higher. See, a streak of buyers stepped in. Do we follow? Oh. I was thinking of taking along around 50, but pullback, small pullback there after this delta, but delta push, yeah, but still no momentum here. Now worked. Some more buying here. Right, yeah. Into that. Fives and a half, around 60 3/4. Liquidity level up there, 63.5.
Order filled.
I'm long. Not the best entry in terms of looking at this. It's looking better. Just stay positive and keep on pushing. We need some buyers here. But volatile. Well, picking up. Let's go for 60 again. Would be great. better. I'm trailing my stop. Positive delta here, slightly. Fingers on the flatten button. Okay. Full trading. Some buyers there. That's sellers.
Order filled.
Okay. Some profit there. That's around 60. There's a liquidity level at 63.5. Might go for that. Take it out. See it. 53 contracts offered at 63.5. I think it might take it out. If you are offered in front of that at 63.25, you might be taken out, or even just behind it. Go, boom, out. $63.5. Going. Might see some profit taking at some small profit taking, meaning we get a pullback. I'm selling, trying to sell it here. Nines, like 5 points in it. Short. short 5. Contract bought.
Order filled.
Long there.
Stop
What?
filled.
Best trade. Seller stepped in. Genie bought. Nice. Delta minus 29. Nice selling, yeah. The level there, 54. Out. Likely. Liquidity. 26 contracts sitting there, waiting to be pulled. Or trade it. I'm testing this 52 area. Last trade it.
Order filled.
Negative delta here. Oh, brace of selling from the top there. Took the long here just because of the breakout test. Brace help. this works. On from 51. See some buyers in the market. Ready to push higher. Stop is tight. Loss of delta. Trailing. Keeping it tight. Delta not still flat. Flat on the buying and selling. Put my stop right even. Try to manage this thing if it bounces, otherwise I'm out. Maybe we get a push here.
Order filled.
Lightly. $58. It was just a pure technical retest of a breakout. Taking along there, nothing special. Technical analysis 101. Taking a breakout. Well, like not a breakout, the retest of the breakout. Support. Previously resistance, now support level. Take along. That's it. Doesn't always work. Sellers here as well. Otti. Take a short.
Order filled.
Hit. Short side. I stop tight. Negative 30 on delta. Keeping it tight. Look for a lower drop, I would say. Put in a bid here. Slightly lower. We can get a sell here. Delta flat. Get follow through on the sell side. 2 points in the money. Nothing for now. Rail flat. It can go either way. So, do we see sellers? Nothing. But skeptical about this short now. Need to see some sellers stepping in.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm out here at some of it. For a small pullback, short trade. Guys, yeah. With the trades. Had this long here, long here. Took another long. That was a loss. Took a long here, short here. Had these couple of break. That was like small scratch loss. Long there. Was a 2 losses. Okay, that was.
Voice news disconnected.
Spot 2%, 0 spot 2%, as expected.
Negative delta, minus 17. Negative 16 on delta. More sellers than buyers currently. Slightly. Take it. Okay, 24 sellers here. Lost 2 candles, almost like 30 contracts. Was.
The UK gilt coming in at bid to cover coming in at 2.8. That's 2.8. Yield at 4.808. That's 4.808%. We did see the 10-year bond yield, the highest since 2008 there. And the bond sale was oversubscribed 2.8 times, the least since 2023.
Hey, slightly quiet from my side as well. So, because of the markets, see much happening now. Maybe a push higher. That's only a guess. A guess in the market. I want to actually trade what I see. I see buyers, I'm long. If I see sellers, I'm short. I want to gamble. Flat on Delta. Negative. Standing here. Take the short. Actually, that bid that came in here, or the limit order on the bid side, got pulled. Offer at 60 something, 65. $49.50. Selling here. Bought. Offered. Yeah.
Order
Got
filled.
pulled. take, if there is some momentum here to the downside, I would see some sellers continuing sell the market here. Go down. 14 delta minus 14. Previous candle minus 41s. Level at 50 that's sticking out lightly. Long way down. Minus 12 delta. Minus 21. Okay, so we see some sellers are stepping in, and we see a breakdown. Go down. Put in a bid just front of 50 for now. 50. 1 for now. If we get a flush, there's a thing as I'm talking about like flush, but it's only for like 6 or 5 or 6 points. So US session, it's way different. Markets moving in 10, 20, 30 points easily. Now it's like 5 points is a flush. I'm trailing. And we get 50. Don't like the buyers that trying to push higher. Keeping it tight, my stop. Do we flatten? Not. We wait patiently for the short. Decision making. Nothing, hey? Buying. That's the offer at 60. We're going to go for that. I'm gonna try and get out of the bid.
Stop filled.
Out at 60. Bought the contract, bought there. The sellers. Official idea.
Voice news disconnected.
Target. Target this market, yeah. Low. A bit of a mixed bag. Some buyers here and then sellers at like minus 52 delta, yeah. So we have CPI today. Gonna be huge. Markets. 8:50 ST time. Be big. As usual. Nothing before that, so just a heads up. Not trading that time. Be volatile. 50 taken out. It's a pity. I had the short there at 57. Took a stop at 60 and then market dropped. Fortunately, that didn't work. Ideal, right? Okay. Getting a bit more volatile here. Minus 37 delta, minus 35. Take the short. What the-
Order filled.
Short there. Okay. Break even on. Almost break even. Okay. 42s. Get that flush. Don't see a lot of sellers here currently. I try and get out square here. Nice to go and test 36 again. Get out.
Order filled.
Out for now. Just because of don't see any like big sellers stepping in. But guys, I'm gonna jump off the stream now. I'm gonna see you later this afternoon during the CPI data. We can watch the market and see what we can find any opportunities in the market. Probably not gonna do some trades around CPI, but I'm gonna try the US Open. So I'm gonna stop now. See you later. Alright guys. All the best with your trading. Good one. Cheers.
I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so lit and don't care.